We said fractions are part over whole, right? Yes. Your whole percent is always 100. Our part we're trying to find is that 25. Does that make sense? We're trying to find the part that is 25%. Remember on Tuesday we had to line them up? Like both of the, I'm trying to think of one we had. Yeah, like both the flowers were on top and then the flower beds were on bottom, or when we did like fish in a pond, you'll get some of those. The part is what we're looking for out of a whole 32. Does that make sense? We're going to do some more of these. So how would we solve this? Cross multiply. 100 times x equals 25 times 32. So I'm going to do that over here. You're going to get 100 times x equals 800. You would divide both sides by 100. Why divide by 100? To get x by itself. X is 8. Does that make sense? If you set them up as ratios and line them up and cross multiply, you'll get each one of these right. What percent of 50 is 5? So part over whole. So always stick that 100 on the bottom before you forget about it. Which one of these is your whole? The 50 or the 5? 50. The 50 is your whole. So where's it go? The bottom. 50 is the total. What part of 50 is 5? Does that make sense hearing it that way? Where's the 5 go? Why is it on top of the 50? You're right. Why is it on top of the 50?
Because we don't know the percentage of 50 over 5.
Your first fraction deals with your percent. The second fraction is your numbers. Have a question?
Why is one different?
The last one gave you a percent, and it was looking for the number. This one, it's asking for the percent. So your x needs to be with your percents.
Oh.
Does that make sense? Do you see, look back at the wording in the last one. Do you see how it's different? How would we solve this? Cross multiply. 50 times x equals 500. What do I do? Divide by 50. Divide by 50. You can get x equals 10. Therefore, that was 10%. On XYZ, you do not need to type in the percent sign. They have it written after the box. It'll mark you wrong if you type it.